NFT Kraken is installed, you can simply right-click the shortcut, run it as administrator. Now you'll be prompted to activate your account. This is where you enter your license key. You can simply copy and paste your license key in and hit activate. And there it is, your NFT Kraken account is now activated. Now you can see our UI. As you can see, you have bot 1, bot 2, bot 3, bot 4 and bot 5. Before you do anything though, you want to go to your settings in the top right and scroll down to Chrome driver, and you want to install Chrome driver. Simply click install, and there it is, it's as easy as that. Chrome driver is now installed. Next to the settings tab, you also have your account information. This will simply show your email, and so once you're satisfied with all the bids you've placed, you can simply hit stop, and it'll stop the bidding and it will close, and that's it. That's how you use NFT Kraken. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in purchasing NFT Kraken, feel free to join our Discord that is linked in the description box below.